Hey guys, back with another video here today. One of my subscriber have some questions regarding the wiring harness, how I connect it. So I'm going to be doing a close-up video today with the wiring harness to show you guys how I do the jump for the bypass for the brake, so the parking brake. Alright, so yeah, everything works.
Hear this. When you hear me talk about the thing me did. No nice and this and girl fitness. Love it to the maximum. But I hear some no go on like a champion. But this year me have the solution, man.
No sexy girl, man. And a man loving her to death, man. To death, to make you afraid.
How she about your face cut your ranking? Cause you ragamuffin Rambo.
Everything works, guys.
Come to control Jamaica. Boom it up this year, man. Land of mercy. You call it out of hand. The girl and get out of hand.
I ran out of patience. On the ruse! Nice job, kid.
Thanks. Well, I could have stuck the landing a little better. It's just a new suit. Wait, it's nothing. Mr. Stark, it's perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, we don't really need to start a conversation.
Okay. Captain? Big fan of Spider-Man?
Yeah, we'll talk about it later. Just,
Hey, everyone.
good job. You've been busy. And you've been a complete idiot.
Alright guys, as you can see there, the DVD working as well. Alright, removing the vent here. Obviously remove the two Phillips screw there. And then move the vent like that, push it aside. Then pop the radio out, stereo, whatever you want to call it, navigation, anyway. Alright guys, on the back of the harness here, so this is the right side of the harness. On the bottom row section, the bottom row wire here is the first brown wire here that you do the connection on to jump across the piece of jumper wire there. So you just place this wire here, the brown one, and then you have on the same bottom row here you have the green one there next to it, and then the fat one here, that's the black one for the ground. That's where you connect this brown one to. So you do a jumper from here, from the brown one to the black one there. So that's what I did over here, as you can see it there. Everything is a mess right there. So yeah, so you see I put a jumper right there on this one and jump it to the black one there. So that's all you have to do. And yeah, so if there's any question, let me know. That's what I did, that's what it is there. So alright, it's a close-up from the back here. This is the bottom row I was talking about here, and this is the brown wire here, the first one here to the right. Then you have the green one there, and then the black one right there. So yeah, so all you have to do a jump from the green one here to the black one there. That's it. Alright. You can subscribe to this guy YouTube. He's a YouTuber as well. So 5 Adam D.
Hi.
Yeah. Alright guys. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, let me know what you think. Well, that's what I did, so alright. Alright guys, good luck, take care, bye. Alright guys, yeah, real quick here, I forgot, this have nothing to do with this here anyway. It seems I have the radio out. If you have an issue with your heating core sensor, this is where it would be after you remove the radio there. It's right in there. Right there. Where the green wire is right there, that's a sensor right there. Right there. So you need to just pop it out and just disconnect it, and that's where it would be there, the heating core sensor. Alright, let's put this back together. See you later, take care, bye. Good luck with yours. Alright guys, to show you everything works, I put everything back together.